So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down. There's going to be two downloads, one for x86 and one for x64. You want to download both of them. So I'm going to click on both of them. And it's now going to start downloading. And now once that's been downloaded, you want to right click on one of them and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both the downloads. We're now going to install both of these one by one. I'm going to start with the first one on my list. It's going to be x64. You want to double click on it. And now once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. And now once that's been done, we can now close out of this. Now we're going to install the other one. For me, it's going to be x86. I'm going to double click on it. And now once this comes up, you want to tick the box and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. And now once that's been done, we can now close out of this. For the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.